Bookish knowledge will give marks out of 100, they can get 99 or 90, but not the skill. We do have a lot of resource in India,
Yeah.
but there is no skill. Resource is there, and you can see most of the people are working in abroad, outside in India. In Indian people are rocking. Jobs are there, companies are there, resource is there, manpower is there in India. But the thing is the lack of skill. Out of 250 interviews, I never and ever selected a candidate which is having 90 to 95 marks. I won't believe in that first. I always believe in skill. If you are a continuous learner, there is no limit for success.
So, Satish,
Yeah,
welcome to
hi.
Pharma now.
Thank you so much.
I think while talking to you, your journey is very inspirational. From a son of farmer to refusing a job of 8 million rupees and starting a startup in skill development segment.
Exactly.
Very inspirational.
Thank you.
And very out of box.
Thank you, Ravi.
So let's deep dive into how you come up with this concept, why you started this, and what gives you this courage to do all this.
Exactly. So the only reason is service oriented person. That is what I learned from my gurus. So what you learn, what is your expertise, what is your experience, it won't help you. That's completely help for the society. That is what we learned from Dr. Tivinarayan Garu. He is the president of Indian Pharmaceutical Association. So when I'm studying in my graduation and B Pharm, M Pharm and D Pharm, at that time we don't have that type of luxuries. Even though we don't have the smartphones to learn all the things. So we know the value of single minute and single rupee. So when comes to the skills about the student in college level, they're completely dedicating themselves towards bookish knowledge. Bookish knowledge will give marks out of 100, they can get 99 or 90, but not the skill. So that is what the reason to increase the skill in the society of pharmacy profession. So I started Clinoxy, and my vision and mission is to Clinoxy is to create a greater platform for every pharmacy professional to explore and excel in their professional career. Yeah.
That's very interesting. So, what this organization is all about?
Yeah.
Clinoxy.
Clinoxy, exactly.
Clinox, right?
Clinoxy.
Clinoxy.
Yeah.
So, am I pronouncing it right?
No, not an issue. Yeah, Clinoxy.
Perfect. So, what this Clinoxy is all about? What exactly you are trying to achieve?
Yeah. So through Clinoxy, we are going to provide both online and offline skill development training programs for all the B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, Pharma D, MSc, BSc, MBBS, BDS, and all the life sciences graduates. So the main vision Clinoxy is to create them an awareness, like we do have opportunities in corporate departments like Novartis, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, Cyient, Get in many companies are there, Cinos, GSK, many are there. So we are going to provide clinical research, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, and scientific writing, regulatory affairs also. So by providing them skill-oriented training programs, we can boost their professional career. They can upskill their skill, and they can get the opportunity completing their graduation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. But a curious question here. When you do B Farm, M Farm,
Yeah.
do you get exposure to such kind of software?
Exactly. So I did my diploma in pharmacy in 2009, and 2012 I completed my bachelor's in pharmacy, and 2014 I completed my M Pharmacy.
Okay.
I started my journey in 2012 while doing M Pharmacy. My initial company is Granules India Limited. After that, I got an opportunity Paraxel. I worked for Paraxel about 4 years in pharmacovigilance department. Then I moved to Tech Mahindra. Again, I moved to Scient in medical writing and scientific writing. Then I joined as associate project lead in Clean Choice for medical writing, medical devices department. Then again I moved to Scient Limited as a project manager, associate project manager. I served about Scient again about 1.5 years. Total I do have 7 years of work experience into all the fields of clinical research, PV, CDM and all. So my main motto is to what the learnings I have, what the expertise I have. It's not only for me to support financially and professionally. My intention and vision is to I want to give it back to the society. That's it. Yeah.
Sure. But yeah, so coming back to my question, actually my question was about you required external skill development for our students, right?
Yes.
So during the B Farm and M Farm, course,
Yes, yes.
don't they get exposure to such kind of software?
Exactly. No, that is a gap actually in our
Okay.
academics. The current PCI president and the team people, they are working hardly to
Okay.
implement all these things. We have to appreciate them for their hard working.
Okay.
So, and I don't want to talk about previous and all. The current team of
Correct.
PCI is working very well. And even though Dr. T. Veeranan are also suggesting PCI to implement all these things. So they are taking a step towards all these things to incorporate into the academics.
So what is the importance of learning these softwares in your career?
Yes, exactly. So if the student, once they pass into B Farm or M Farm or Pharma D, so they do have bookish knowledge.
Correct.
Okay, and once they join in the corporate companies, it's completely new picture about them. All the softwares and all, they don't know about how to operate the software, and even the many of the students that they can't able to operate Excel, PowerPoint, Word document also. So in this scenario, even we need to implement all these things. We need to introduce all these things to the college level. By that we can groom the student at the college level only. They won't take much time to get an opportunity. Yeah, yeah.
So what do you think as an opportunity area? Because India is now, people are considering it as a pharmacy of the world. We are growing very fast
Yes,
in various
exactly.
aspects.
Exactly.
But there are companies who are crying that we don't have a good resources,
No.
and there are students who are crying that we don't
Yes,
have
yes.
opportunity.
Yes.
There is so much of confusion and chaos.
I can clarify it. So industry related to medicine, science, drug development, clinical trial, it's like an ongoing process. There is no never ending. Okay, there is no end point for that. And when it comes to your question, we do have lot of resource in India, but there is no skill. That is the only reason. People are there. Okay, and they can say that I got 90 marks out of 100. Okay, when I am asking a question, they can't able to explain, but they can write. That is the only thing. Okay, resource is there, and you can see most of the people are working in abroad, outside in India. In Indian people are rocking. Got it? They do have chance
So you mean
to
to say once
implement.
they get their skills groomed,
Exactly.
they are rocking everywhere.
Exactly. There is no doubt at all. There is no doubt that we need to implement in college level. I am saying. Okay, at college level, if we introduce at least 20 or 30% all these skills, extra skill set. Okay, so by that student can groom at the college level only. Yeah, jobs are there, companies are there, resource is there, manpower is there in India. But the thing is the lack of skill.
But then, can a student who is passionate enough about the study, can they learn about it by themselves?
Yeah, they can also learn. Student interest. Okay, but the thing is they should be mentored by some other experienced candidate, right? And while we are teaching with the book and while we are giving with the experience, there is a different scenario with them. Two are different. When it comes about Clinoxy, we are experienced professionals. We already worked in the company. We know about what exactly company is doing and future what company is going to do. So that is what our training programs at Clinoxy. We are going to give them in an experienced manner, in a practical manner, hands-on experience.
So when you say experiential learning, how exactly you achieve this?
So it means when I'm working in the organizations, I felt that I nearly taken 200 to 250 interviews. Okay, out of 250 interviews, I never and ever selected a candidate which is having 90 to 95 marks. I won't believe in that first. I always believe in skill. Okay, so by that, by getting experience in the organizations, I groomed myself and I getting experience into all the modules. So I just started Clinoxy. Yeah,
that's very interesting. So now, how you see another couple of years or 5 years for your organization?
So I do have a great vision. I know. By 2027-26, what is going to happen in my mind? I know. I do have a great vision. What is going to Clinoxy do in India for the pharmacy profession? Yes, there is no doubt at all. All the students will be groomed under the guidance of Satish Kumar. There is no doubt at all. And we are going to revert back to the every institutional in India. We are going to groom them. We are going to guide them. We are going to make a pharmacy profession is successful. There is no doubt at all.
That's wonderful, and that's very confident.
Yes,
Satish. So Satish, just wanted to put more light about how your business model works.
Yeah.
So how you acquire students and what you do with them. So once they are skilled, do you provide any job placements or anything?
Yes, exactly. So usually most of the colleges are invite us to give an awareness session or talk or any topic we are going to give a session. So by that we can introduce our program to the students. Students can come directly and they can join. And we also go to the college and we are going to conduct different types of seminars, webinars, many offline and online. So students can join online and offline training programs. We are going to give them 2 months, 3 months diploma course, PG diploma course. We are going to cover lot of modules at one single training program. So that is what I learned in my professional career. Okay, instead of going ahead with the one module or two module, you have a barricades of your opportunities. You have a barricade. You are just putting a barrier towards your opportunity. If you have knowledge in most of the domains, you have plenty of opportunities. Your profile can suit for every department. That is what we are teaching at Clinoxy.
Oh, that's very interesting. So, Satish, in a world of digitalization now, everyone is moving on AI, ML,
Exactly. Yeah.
blockchain, and everything.
Yes.
So, how your organization is adopting this change,
Exactly.
and how are you training?
You are telling
biopharmacists
that
on this
blockchain, AI, and all. We are going to teach AI. Yes, we are going to implement a new project called Course 10x. We are going to plan and you are going to work with blockchain technology and AI also. So we are going to introduce courses. What are the courses which are required for all the graduates? Either it is undergraduate or postgraduate. We are going to provide them by using artificial intelligence and 3D technology. Yeah, that is what our upcoming project it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is your viewpoint? Like how AI is impacting the overall pharma industry?
No, I can say it's like when it comes about AI, the digitalization is very important. So to get accurate results, precision results, that is very, very important. We can say by using AI, we can minimize the errors. But by using computer technology systems and databases, by using blockchain technology, we can secure our confidential data. Okay, when it comes about the manual work, the people they may do some errors. But one point of time, even with AI and artificial intelligence, I can say, and blockchain technology also gives some back-end works. I mean, negative results also. Yeah. How much we have positive, that much of negative also we do have.
So finally, it is based on some data mining.
How we are utilizing the service of AI.
Correct.
That is important. That's it. How we are utilizing.
Wonderful, Satish. I think you are doing really amazing.
Thank you so much, Ravindra.
And I'm sure your initiative will help country to upscale the skills.
Yes.
So, a final question. I wanted you to give one advice to all these budding pharmacists who are trying to venture their career into pharma. What would be your one advice?
Yes. If you are a continuous learner, there is no limit for success.
Wow.
That's it.
I agree.
That's it.
That's very true.
If you are a learner, no need to pay single rupee. That doesn't require. You have digital, you have mobile phone with you, you have library in your college, you have PhD scholars in your college. We do have resource, but we fail in utilizing each and individual resource.
Agreed.
That is a mistake of us. Not blame the profession, not blame our lecturers or the staff or the country or some other things. We are doing mistakes. What is the resource you have? If you properly utilize, you will succeed in your life. There is no doubt in that. And also, the people will follow you. They will succeed. Yeah.
Amazing.
Thank you. Yeah.
Satish, I think this is very well put.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot for sharing these insights with us. And thanks for coming on.
Thank you so much. Thanks for the opportunity also. And thank you.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.